Tubers and Growmies and Soil Sisters, welcome back to the channel. You are once again tapped into There She Grows 420, and just going ahead and giving a quick update on where we are in the veggie garden. As you can see, the white potatoes have jumped off to a great start. I want to be careful and do some research and see what I need to do as far as soil amendments. I'm told that if you're growing foliage and you are not growing potatoes, so if anyone is experienced or has any knowledge as to where I am with this, if I'm okay at this length, or if I need to do some soil amendments or some cutbacks, please make comments below so that I'm aware of that. Our tomatoes here in the back, indeterminate, are spawning some fruit. Again, I'm just going to go ahead and shake those where I see buds at so that they can self-pollinate and provide some more fruit. Additional onions are spurring up there, and again, I'm told that I'm not supposed to harvest until I can see the crowns or bulbs coming above the soil, and that the tops are leaning over. Must be doing so far so good because I don't see any scapes. It is not going to seed. Our berry plants are sprouting. I've got some asparagus coming here. Different lettuces, cilantro, or pole beans seem to be coming along. And I went ahead and separated my cabbage and put them into different pots, hopefully to have one cabbage per pot. Those will be repotted soon into a larger container once they start growing. Watermelon coming forward there. Happy about that. I have not yet been successful in growing watermelon, so hopefully this is my season. The Inez's okra has bounced back, as well as my poblano peppers. Still nothing from the strawberry pot. Cantaloupe looking okay. I did go ahead and add some garden tone to my pots. They seem to be greening up and not looking like they're nitrogen deficient anymore. I was able, I'm kind of proud about this, found a seedling off of the Japanese maple tree, pulled it up and put it in a pot. It seems to be doing good, as is the seed from the organic Gala apple. So hopefully we'll be able to nurse those throughout the summer, fall, and next winter, so that we can have some additional trees in the garden or yard. Cherry tomatoes looking good, as well as the eggplant, spinach. Coming behind there, the English cucumber, another cabbage. Just giving it some time here before we trellis them or repot. Nothing coming up from our ginger, but again, as I said, the ginger does grow out instead of down. Garlic looking okay. I'm almost wishing that that hadn't been an experiment and that I had planted a few more. Scallions still looking okay. We had overwintered those. Lettuce was struggling, seems to be bouncing back. Beefsteak tomatoes, I haven't decided if I'm going to separate those two or leave them there. A couple different kinds of kale coming. Squash in the back. Zucchini down here coming right along. Again, nothing out of the cilantro. I don't understand why cilantro is so difficult for me. Another indeterminate tomato plant. And of course, another organic Gala apple, which has still not shown any sprouts. I'm going to try to get a close-up for you guys with that, where you could see that it does indeed have some nodes on it, but they haven't flowered or leafed up yet. So I bent it back a little bit. I'm aware that it is very much so alive. So we'll just give it some time. Maybe with the season heating up and us getting into higher temperatures, she will come through. Wanted to share with you guys the lemon tree that I started from seed. This tree is about 12 or 13 years old. Pardon it because it does need to be pruned. I'm going to back up off of it a bit. I bring her inside in the winter months, and she comes outside after we're at least 60 degrees throughout the nighttime. So we'll prune her back a bit. Did go ahead and repot her, thinking that this pot still may not be big enough. I will try and find an even larger pot, hopefully somewhere online that's affordable. Get her pruned up. She is also being well fed, and hopefully she'll give us some fruit this time. So again, just wanted to give a quick update of the garden. I'll swivel back around again, try to give you guys a full view. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned and let's keep it growing. With that being said, your girl there, she grows 420 out.